Hi, welcome to my channel RK SoftAcademy. I already uploaded many videos on Oracle technologies in my YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy. So you can watch out every videos, and lots of advanced topics are there also. And so I am continuing the second part of my session, tutorial session, that is for Oracle PLSQL record. Okay, so this is the first part of the session, that is for Oracle PLSQL record, and I am continuing it with the second part or in today's session. Okay, so in the first part, everything has been discussed about what is PLSQL record and how many types of PLSQL record, and in which scope you will use the PLSQL record. Okay, and in today's session I will discuss in detail what are the various types of PLSQL record and how we can implement it in our Oracle programming. Okay, so first is table based record. So I am writing here table based record. Okay, so table based record is a PLSQL record which consists of various all different field values, like a row of a database table. Okay, so to implement the table based record, I am just going to SQL prompt, and here is my EMP table. So EMP table have 14 rows we have, and to create the table based record we need to use a attribute that is %row type. Okay, so %row type used to create a table based record. So I am going to my SQL prompt, and I am creating here a table based record on EMP table. Okay, so I am declaring a variable, declare EMP rec is my variable. So it is EMP %row type. Okay, so now I'll begin my program here, and I will fetch the record from EMP table. So select star into EMP rec, select star into EMP rec from EMP, where let's say I will take a employee number is 7900, that is James. Okay, where EMPNO equal to 7900. Okay, so now I will show you how this PLSQL record generated with the value of this record. Okay, to print the value of the PLSQL record, I'll use the dbms output package. So I'll write dbms output dot put underscore line, and I'll print here ename in EMP number first. So EMPNO, and this is EMPREC EMPREC dot EMPNO. Okay, and I'll use another dbms output, dbms output dot put underscore line, and now I'll print EMP name, that is ename, and I'll write here EMPREC dot ename. Okay, so I am writing here end, and I am running the program. See here complete data is showing for employee number and employee name. Okay, So my record PLSQL record is emp-rec, and I am printing the values of my field, the values of my field using the record PLSQL record. Okay, so emp number is here. I have taken 7900, that is printing here, and ename is also printing here, James. Okay. So that is for table based record. I have created this record using the table, emp table, and so that is the table based record. So I think you have understood well what is table based record. So first one is completed, and now you have understood, right, for table based record. Okay, fine. So number 2 is cursor based record. Okay, cursor based record. Okay, so I will show you how we can use the cursor based record in our PLSQL programming. Okay, so for this to create the cursor based record, I have to use a cursor. So I am declaring a cursor name. Let's say its name is emp cursor, emp car. Let's say I'll take emp no ename and salary. Okay, into from emp. Okay, from emp, where this time I'll take another employee. I'll take 7902. Okay, so emp no equal to 7902. Okay, now I am declaring a variable. My variable name is recemp, that is of type emp cur %row_type. Okay, so now I'll begin my program here. So I have to open the cursor, open emp underscore cur. I have to use a loop. So I am using the cursor fetch. So fetch emp car into, so my variable is rec emp. Okay, so I am writing here exit wait condition emp car, my cursor name, % not found. Okay, now I will print the value of my column. Okay, using the cursor based record. Okay, so I am writing here dbms output dot put line. So I'll print empno that is emp that is rec emp dot empno. Okay, and I'll use second dbms output dot put line ename that is rec emp dot ename, and I will print the salary also. db ms output dot put line cell that is irec emp dot sal. okay, now I am ending loop and end the PLSQL program. okay, so I'm running the program. Now see here complete values are showing here using the cursor based record. So I am printing here emp number is 7902. I have taken 7902 that is for Ford. Okay, 7902 for Ford, and his salary is 3000. Yes, so it is showing empno is Ford and salary is 3000. okay, you understood how cursor based record is created, can be created and used in PLSQL programming. I think you have understood well, right? So that's for cursor based record, and we'll have a third type of record, PLSQL record, that is user defined record. User defined record. okay, user defined record, and how we can how a user can define a record, and how we can use that record type in PLSQL program. We will show we'll see, and I'll yeah, show you in my next tutorials series of this PLSQL record tutorial session. So in my next third part of the PLSQL record, I will show you the user defined record, how we can create the user defined record in, and how we can implement in our PLSQL program. okay, so keep watching my videos, and if you like my videos, you just give me a like and subscribe my channel, so that you get the notification when I will upload a new video. You will get the notification. okay, and you keep watching on other videos also. There are many videos on Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL, and the basic understanding of database management system. There are 2 parts, and complete SQL videos, so complete PLSQL videos, and Oracle constraint, the complete videos in 2 parts. That is the first part, and this is the application part. You can watch it, and you can get to know everything in detail, and many advanced topics on PLSQL programming video tutorial I already uploaded, that is collections, exceptions. Each videos are in detail. You can if you watch it, and you will get to know everything in detail. And Oracle collection, VARAys, and that is and another video is for performance tuning, that is explain plan, that is discussed in detail in my this video. You can watch it, and I have uploaded a materialist view, a tutorial for materialist view in 2 part. This is the part 1, and this is the part 2. You will get to know everything about materialist view, how you can use it, and where you can use it. okay, so and I'll make the third part of PLSQL record tutorial session in my next video. okay, and I'll upload it. So keep watching my video, and just like my video if you, and how you are enjoying my video. You just give a comment in the below my video, so that I can understand. Just give a comment over the video. okay, and keep watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe my channel. okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.